Why people wear shoes. Suyere o yameze osun ariera, erirona koniniron iroma, koniniron erirona koniniron. A long, long time ago, at the very beginning of the world, the earth was covered in thick vegetation, plants and herbs growing freely, many of them covered in sharp thorns. Back then, there were not many people in the world, so the plants grew wild and untamed. One day, Baba Odi Meji walked barefoot across the land. With each step, the sharp thorns pierced his feet, causing deep wounds. The pain became unbearable, and soon he fell ill. Unable to walk any further, he had no choice but to seek help. Struggling, he made his way to Olofin, the wise one, to find out what was wrong. Olofin listened carefully to his troubles and then spoke. If you wish to heal, you must make an offering, an ebbo. You must bring a pair of new shoes, a goat, and the money that Orun Mila selects. But most importantly, you must never walk without shoes again. Odi Meji followed Olofin's advice. He gathered the items for the offering, and once the ritual was complete, he placed the new shoes on his feet. From that moment on, he was able to walk again, free from pain. Olofin warned him, whenever your shoes wear out, you must replace them. Never allow yourself to be barefoot again, for shoes will protect you and bring blessings to your path. And so it was that Odi Meji, who had once suffered so much from walking barefoot, remained seated most of the time, and everything good that was meant for him had to come directly to his feet. This is why, to this day, people wear shoes. In the earliest days of the world, it was common to walk barefoot, but Odi Meji's suffering taught humanity an important lesson. Shoes are not just protection, they are a symbol of well-being and blessings. And so, may Orun Mila always guide our steps, and may we always walk the path of wisdom, with shoes on our feet. And that, my friends, is why we wear shoes. A lesson from the wisdom of Ifa, showing us that even the smallest things, like a simple pair of shoes, carry deep meaning and history. Odi Meji's story reminds us that protection and well-being go hand in hand, and sometimes the things we take for granted have a powerful purpose. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tales filled with wisdom, culture, and tradition. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this story? Had you ever thought about shoes in this way before? And remember, the path we walk is shaped by the wisdom we carry. So step forward with knowledge and purpose. See you in the next story.